I live a lifetime every moment when I'm holding you close. Lay your head down on my shoulder, honey, I won't ever let go. Because you pulled me like a magnet, now I'm right where I belong. I'm gonna love you the same for the rest of my days, and on and on and on. 'Cause as long as we keep dancing, we'll stay young at heart. And every time I hold you in my arms.
As we joked over text and walked towards each other on the Eagle Street Pier 4 years ago, little did I know that you would change my life forever. As we had our first dance to a speedy salsa, I saw your eyes light up, and it was the beginning of something special. I've never been great at planning ahead and looking to the future, but what I do know is that whatever future I have, it is with you by my side. I love you, Kylie Marie Strickland, and I want to go to sleep every night holding your hand in mine, knowing that I'm the luckiest guy in the world to be able to wake up with you by my side. You have so much love to give, so much dedication to the happiness of others. I hope that I can give back to you all of that and more. I promise to love you, to hold you, to protect you, to hug you, to snuggle you, to laugh with you, to dance with you, and to share every day with you for the rest of my life.
You give me deja vu, like I've been waiting my whole life to find that view. 'Cause when I'm looking at your eyes, I go from California to Timbuktu, back to dancing in the living room. If I got you, baby, every day's a honeymoon. Oh, it's a honeymoon. Baby, every day's a honeymoon. I wanna spend some time in Paris, serenade you on the beach. We'll take a picture for our parents, but we're never gonna leave. Nobody knows you like I know you. Nobody loves you like I do. And if I'm never a star, but I got my guitar, I'll be singing songs to you. 'Cause as long as we keep dancing, we'll stay young at heart. And every time I hold you in my arms,
I promise to invest in loving you daily and to snuggle you as often as possible. You make me laugh. You teach me love. You have accepted me for who I am and shown me love and support in a way I didn't know was possible. There's no one else I'd rather spend my days with than you. I'm a better person with you in my life. You are my best friend. I love you with all my heart and stand here before our friends and family, sharing the happiest day of my life. I came to this place today as a woman standing alone. I will walk or dance from it by your side. Today I cross the threshold with you. You can carry me if you like, and enter into a new and lasting lifetime commitment. I commit myself to you as your wife.
Forget the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this. Let's hold on tight. We got stars outside.